It's really coming down out here. It's according to the phone app, which I can't show you. It's 28 degrees. It was 30 something this morning when we got up, so it's definitely getting colder. Maybe you can see the sleet falling and bouncing off my sleeve here. Yeah, it's 28 degrees, but I'm not cold. I mean, if you're going to get out in this mess, you definitely want to wear layers. There's no doubt about it. You definitely want to wear layers. Stay away from your jeans and any cotton. Cotton stuff is bad. I've got a wool cap, down coat, fleece vest. I got a fleece under here, and I got some base layer underneath my jeans. But all this stuff is just really getting worse. We're seeing a lot of this, of course. The ice forming. That's just a sheet of ice right there. And maybe we could have some fun. Let's see what kind of trouble I can get into with this magnolia tree. That was fun. This one's covered in it. Let me get underneath this bad boy. That's nothing but ice falling, people. And that's what we're worried about. Ice taking out some of these big old trees, and just hope none of them fall across these power lines. And from what I can tell in this little area, it doesn't look like much of a threat, so it shouldn't be a problem. But on down the road, one way or the other, you just don't know. Sleet is coming down like crazy. It's definitely collecting. The roads, here comes somebody. Let's see if this guy's gonna drive acting like a fool. Nope, he's driving like he should. This stuff right here, that is pretty much a solid piece of ice right there. You kick on enough, that's something you can grip. That right there, you can't grip that. That's really slick. We're supposed to get another inch of ice and another 1 to 3 inches of snow here in Kennesaw in this location. If that's the case, I don't know what's going to happen. Lord willing, we don't run out of power. Well, we don't lose power. And we'll be okay, but I'll definitely keep y'all posted. Brr, it's cold.